What is up, y'all? Going to the dealership now to drop the Mustang off on one of the warmest weeks of the entire, like, for the past month or the past 30 days. It's been below freezing, and the 1 week that it's going to be above freezing, I'm going to drop my car off, so I won't be able to enjoy it on the only hot week in this friggin' bitch-ass winter. It's like 31 degrees now. That's like warm compared to the weather we've been having the past couple weeks. It's just been terrible.
Hey, call that your friend. Giving lessons, disrespect me on my teacher.
Okay, guys, dropping the Mustang off. Get the damage fixed. Little dent right there. Just came to grab my wallet.
Wish I was. I wanted to give you a call and let you know I am still working on getting that check issued.
So I got the a 2017 Expedition while the Mustang's in the shop. Let me know if you guys want to see a review on it. I think it's pretty sweet. It's got the 3.5 EcoBoost in it. Let me know. It's a 7-seater. 7-seater, make it sweeter. Let me know if you guys want to see a review.
How you think I was a fraud?
So this, I thought it was a 4-wheel drive Expedition, but it's just a 2-wheel drive, I believe. It's still pretty sweet though. Could probably get some donuts in. Glee. It's a sweet looking truck, if you ask me. This thing is fun, man. Do some skids right here. Hopefully I don't get in trouble. This thing is fun, man. The EcoBoost is so torquey. I love it. Anybody got like 40 grand I could borrow so I could buy one of these bad boys? This is too fun. Alright, let me get out of here before somebody calls the cops. Black guy in the park doing donuts in a big ass truck. Alright, thanks for stopping in on today's video. My battery in my GoPro is about to die, so I'll catch you guys later. If it's your first time stopping in, hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video, and stay tuned for the madness.
That's what I thought you said. Now let me offer this as a rebuttal.